Hello my YouTube family, you're here with Skipper Drones, and today we are building the Hobbymate asteroid. We have the 1505 2900 kV motors that we are putting on here. These are capable of running up to 6S. I found the 6S battery with an XT30 connector. It's a GN3 550 milliamp hour 6S battery. We have the iflight success stack that we are putting in here, the ESC flight controller and the VTX. We have the caddx turbo SS2. We're putting in here XM Plus FR Sky XM Plus flight controller. These are some of the parts to go with the stack. Here we also are using a MMCX antenna, the DITSI 5.8 gigahertz. This is a new antenna made by the DITSI. These are going to be nice for the micro. So this 3-inch build here is going to be running off 6S. So that's going to be nice, and I'm looking forward to this build here. We have the stack, the iflight success stack, which is it has pins, so it's going to be pretty much a quick build. So it's going to limit out a lot of soldering we have to do. You also have inside here is the they give you a bunch of connectors here, camera, VTX, to hook the ESCs up to the flight controller. So yes, this is going to be a nice build, you guys. We have here the ESCs. So we are going to tin all the wires up for the motors on the ESCs, and we'll be back. Alright my YouTube family, we have the iflight success ESC, y'all tinned it up nice here. We got the capacitor on and we put the power wire on. Now, next step is we're about to put the motor wires on the ESC. And after I do that, I will be back. I'll be back, you guys. Alright. Alright, my YouTube family. We're here with the 3-inch asteroid from Hobbymate. We have a 1505 2900 kV motors, and we have the DITSI mini antenna here, which fits nicely. We have bound it to the Tyrannus QX7. So now let's turn her on and see what we have. Hopefully no smoke, you guys. Yeah, and we have the camera here. Oh, good sound, you guys. Good sound. Alright, let's check the camera here. Sorry about that, you guys. But we have a nice view here with the camera, you guys. The camera is working. We have the iflight success inside. So that is extra nice. Alright. And this will be pushing 6S, you guys. So just to let you know, this will be pushing 6S. Alright, well, we about to put everything together, and I'll be back with the final moments of the asteroid put together. Alright, we'll be back, you guys. Alright, you guys, we're back, and this is the asteroid 3-inch frame with the iflight stack pushing 6S, you guys. It's gonna look nice. It's better gonna sit up kind of high, but it's gonna be able to manage it, I believe. So here it goes, you guys, pushing 6S. The iflight asteroid, and like I say, everything is together nicely. Love to hear that sound, you guys. They got the caddx turbo SS2. 1505 2900 kV. So yes, this is gonna be very nice. I'm waiting on the props to come in, so once I get the props in, we'll be good to go. Nice picture, you guys. Let's see that. Nice picture, you guys. So this is the completion of this build, you guys. The asteroid Hobbymate 3-inch frame. We're gonna have to put some antenna caps on here. There's a couple more things I'm gonna do. I got to order some battery straps for 3 inches. Some nice heavy duties. So you guys, this is the 3-inch iflight success stack in here. It's capable of running up to 6S, as you see. This is the 3-inch Hobbymate frame and the Hobbymate motors. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. That helps my channel a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Alright, and I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.